Today, I'm bringing you the ultimate Christmas pajamas lookbook to keep you cozy, stylish during this holiday season. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hello, bonjour, ni hao, assalamu alaikum, namaste. And if you are my old subscriber, welcome back to another video. This is MAMA-MYLES, and on this channel we talk about lifestyle, we do fashion, we do beauty, we do a little bit of everything. So just go ahead and subscribe to this channel because definitely there's something for you. Christmas pajamas are a holiday staple. They are comfortable family tradition and perfect to excuse to launch in styles. Christmas pajamas can be used for every occasion, including family photos, solo cozy nights, and even pajamas party. So on today's video, we'll be talking about Christmas pajamas lookbook. This one we have on our list are classic red and green plate pajamas. These pajamas are perfect because they are timeless option that screens Christmas tradition. Are ideal for family gatherings and holiday photo shoots. The best styling tip for this kind of Christmas pajamas are to pair it with cozy socks or festive slippers. Also add a Santa hat for extra holiday flair in a family picture. Now let's move to the next kind of Christmas pajamas you want to put into consideration for this Christmas period. The next one we have on our list are matching family pajamas. This kind of pajamas are great for creating holiday memories with loved ones. And it is perfect for Christmas mornings while unwrapping presents. Best styling tips for this kind of Christmas pajamas is to include accessories like matching hats or scarves for extra fun. Now we are going to move to the next kind of Christmas pajamas lookbook, which is the luxe satin pajamas set. Is perfect for a glamorous take on holiday lounge wear for those who want to feel chic even at home. This kind of pajamas is suitable for a quiet Christmas Eve with a movie marathon. The best styling tip for this kind of pajamas is to pair with fuzzy slippers and a matching satin eye mask. And now we are going to move to the next one, which is ugly Christmas sweaters. This is perfect for playful and fun and also for light-hearted holiday vibes. It's perfect for a Christmas pajamas party with friends, and the best styling tip for this kind of pajamas is to add Christmas themed socks or novelty separate shapes like reindeer or Santa boots. Now we're going to move to the fifth one, which are cozy onesies. This is perfect for ultimate comfort options for staying warm during these holidays. It is great for solo relaxation or cuddling up with a book on a snowy day. Styling tip for these cozy onesies are to pair them with slippers boot for an ultra sun look. Now we are going to move to the sixth one, which is festive nightgowns. Festive nightgowns are perfect for those who prefer a breezier option while keeping the festive vibes alive. It is ideal for a warm climate or for those who prefer a lighter option. The best styling tip for these festive nightgowns is to pair it with high socks and a lightweight wrap. Now we are going to move to the next one, which is Fleece pajama set. Fleece pajama set are ultimate one for chilly winter nights. They are perfect for outdoor Christmas activities like sitting by a bonfire. The best styling tip for this kind of Christmas pajamas outlook is to pair with a puffer vest and fuzzy mittens for outdoor moments. Now we are going to move to the next one, which are team character pajamas. This is perfect for fun, especially for kids and movie lovers. Styling tip for this kind of Christmas pajamas outlook is to add props like a stuffed toy or a theme mug to complete the look. Now we are going to move to the next one, which is minimalist monochrome pajamas. These are perfect for modern, understated holiday aesthetic. It is perfect for a relaxed evening with a glass of wine or reading by the fire. The best styling tip for this kind of Christmas pajamas is to pair them with gold jewelries or a cozy night blanket for added elegance. You want to choose high quality materials like organic cotton or cashmere for a luxe feel. Last one, which are DIY Christmas pajamas. DIY Christmas pajamas are perfect for added personal touch to your holiday wardrobe. These are great for creative activities with friends or kids, and the best styling tips for this kind of DIY Christmas pajamas is to showcase easy DIY hacks to inspire viewers to make their unique set. So guys, that's it for this video, and also share in the comment section. I want to know which kind of Christmas pajamas outlook will you up for this Christmas season. And if you loved and enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, comment, share. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's it for this video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.